I'm ready to jump into it and introduce the two amazing experts we have to guide us through our conversation today. First, I'm excited to introduce Vivian Kaye. Vivian Kaye is the founder and CEO of KinkyCurlyYaki, a premium textured hair extension brand for Black women that she bootstrapped to over a multi-million dollar business in revenue as an immigrant, college dropout, and single mom. Hi, Vivian.
Hello, everyone.
Wonderful. So happy to have you. And next we have Melissa Villanueva. Melissa is the CEO, owner, and founder of Brewpoint Coffee, a multi-million dollar coffee company with 4 coffee shops, a coffee roastery, and a premier event space. Melissa's innovative approach to running a successful small business has been featured on Forbes, Entrepreneur, Fast Company, and many other leading publications. Hi, Melissa.
Hey everyone, what's up?
We're going to jump right into this discussion because both Melissa and Vivian have so much wonderful expertise to share. Can you share a negotiation experience that was particularly challenging and the strategies you used to navigate that?
Well, I found overall, especially I think as women, we are, trained by society to just be shy and be meek and don't be too aggressive and don't be too. So, obviously as my business was getting more and more successful, I started to get these limiting beliefs popping into my head. And I would think, the imposter syndrome, right? Like the feeling like I don't deserve this success and it's a fluke and it's all these things. But then I needed something that I could pull out of my pocket that would sort of stop those thoughts dead in their tracks. And I came up with this. What would Chad do? So let me explain who Chad is. So Chad is not a specific person. It's not meant to bash men. It's not meant to do anything like that. Chad is more of an energy, like an attitude, a mindset. So what it does is that it helps me to eliminate any self-limiting beliefs that pop into my head, right? So whenever I need to face a challenge, I think, what would a mediocre guy in my place do? And because if you think about it, there's so many of these mediocre people walking around doing all the big things and doing all the things you have no business doing. They're negotiating and getting the money that they want. They're applying for jobs they have no qualifications for. And it's because they have the audacity. We women always we routinely underestimate our expertise, our experience, our knowledge, our abilities, all that stuff. Because society tells us we can't be trumpeting our successes. We can't be too aggressive in negotiating. We can't ask for too much money. Because why? Why are you asking for so much money? Right? And so I use what would Chad do, which I've trademarked. It is trademarked because that's what Chad would do. Okay. I use that whenever I just need to knock out any sort of self-limiting beliefs, and I need to give myself the audacity, because that's really what it is. It's matching your expertise up with your confidence and the audacity. And I call it the chadacity. Okay. So whenever you're feeling like, man, I don't like, what would I do? Instead of calling 15 of your girlfriends and asking for opinions and doing the research, just say, what would a mediocre guy in my place do right now? And do that. But just don't be a jerk about it.
I absolutely love that. And audacity is going in my everyday rhetoric from here on out. I love it. Yes. Oh my gosh, that's so powerful though, because I think you hit the nail on the head. Women are constantly being told, don't be too much, don't be too pushy, and then just embodying what you need to do to move your business, your life to that next level. Yeah, what would Chad do? I love that. I feel like we can have a whole work day just talking to you ladies and picking your brains, honestly, because there's so many good questions and we're already at the top of the hour. And I just want to say thank you so much for your information, Vivian and Melissa, and for sharing, being transparent, and providing so much inspiration here today. And until next time, bye.